Extinction refers to when there are no remaining individuals of a species still alive. A well-known example of an extinct animal is the dodo, but you don't need to name any examples for the exam. Species that are not well adapted are less likely to survive and reproduce. This is particularly obvious when organisms are not well adapted for changing conditions. An example of a poorly adapted animal is the kakapo, a flightless bird found in New Zealand, which is struggling to cope with predators such as domestic cats that have been introduced by humans. Because of these introduced predators, kakapo may not survive to breed, resulting in them dying out. If this continues for a long time, the species may become extinct. So what are some causes of extinction? As the human population increases, it puts more pressure on our planet and causes extinctions to increase. This can happen due to human destruction of habitats. For example, human activity has led to deforestation, and by building places for us to live, we've reduced natural habitats. So then, human impact on the environment often speeds up extinction, but what other ways are humans causing extinction? The movement of some species around the globe by humans has led to some extinctions. These new species may hunt existing species that may not be well adapted to defend themselves. For example, the red fox, which is considered one of the world's worst invasive species, especially in countries like Australia. This is often through the introduced species either hunting or outcompeting an existing species. This word outcompeting basically means being more successful in the same environment. What other factors can cause extinctions? New diseases can cause extinctions. Diseases could evolve over time, or new ones may be introduced by humans. Extinctions can also occur due to slow natural changes in the environment. Climate change can also lead to changes in the environment that result in extinctions. What sort of exam question might you see about extinction? The image shows information about the pig-footed bandicoot. Suggest how the arrival of Europeans in Australia contributed to the extinction of this marsupial in the 1950s. So, step 1, read the information given and consider how this links to your existing knowledge of extinction. You should identify that this question is about extinction and you're not expected to be familiar with the pig-footed bandicoot. Instead, you're expected to use the information provided about the pig-footed bandicoot as well as your biological knowledge to answer the question. So then, to answer the question, you should be thinking about the impact of humans and the adaptations of the animal. Step 2. Identify the command word. In this question, the command word is suggest. This command word requires you to apply your knowledge and understanding to a new situation, such as this one. Step 3. Refer to the arrival of Europeans in Australia, increasing the population of humans. So you should first state that as Europeans arrived in Australia, the human population would have increased. Step 4. Link the increasing population of humans to their potential impact in this context. So in this example, building and deforestation may have destroyed the grassland habitat of the pig-footed bandicoot. Also, introduced species may have hunted or outcompeted them. On top of these points, you might also mention that new diseases brought to Australia may also have killed the pig-footed bandicoot. So here's an example of how to answer an exam question about extinction.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!